sister used to come to softball here.
Yeah.
Who's phone?
That's Sean. What's up, brother?
I think I know the area.
You're hitting in both cages.
Yeah.
You pitch or no?
I used to pitch. I had tendonitis when I stopped playing baseball, so I don't really know if I should go be pitching, but I can pitch for you.
Yeah, we couldn't. You just doing a small amount. I mean, you guys are only doing 15 pitches from the stretch, 15 from the lineup. That's 30. If you want to do even less than that, you can do 10 and 10. Yeah. See how the arm feels. Plus, you got a week to rest anyways.
Yeah. I haven't played in years, so I gotta get back in the swing of things.
Yeah, so you can use it one day a week with the membership, or any day you want.
Well, all the things on the website. Check out the website. But it's I'm pretty sure it's once a week.
Once a week?
Yeah, once a week. I'm sure of, anyways.
Okay.
Alright, just yes.
Hey, boy, Mike. Don't overdo it now. Let's go. Hit your spots. Don't overdo it. So yeah, whatever cage you want to throw in, either one of the cages. As soon as you throw, the whoever's pitching is the on-deck batter.
All right.
So either one of the two, it doesn't matter. Just mix in. We got all three cages. The whole place is ours. You can even do T drills to warm up and swing if you want over there.
All right. Where can I put my stuff? Is anywhere there?
Anywhere you want to. The building. There's a bathroom down here if you need a bathroom.
Hey, do you want this? For the...
Yep. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
No change? Is that a change?
Wow, location. Location. Whoa, charge them off. Nice pitch.
Look good, buddy. Look good. Hit your spots.
He's got 10. He's got 10. Take that deep hit. The last drop. Nice pitch. Come on. Keep him low. My bad. Come on, come on. All right, my bad.
Stay on top. One more.
Huh?
One more.
What are we throwing? 15?
Yeah, yeah. Unless you want to go up to 40. 30 fine?
Yeah.
One more for 30. That's 15, obviously. 15 in the stretch.